Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide your subscriber count over on YouTube. So this is going to be a really quick tutorial because I just wanted to show you guys how you can do this. So all you need to do is go to the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. And yes guys, you've probably already watched some other videos on how you can do this, but yeah, all you need to do is go into settings and then you're going to click on channel, advanced settings, and right here you will see an option pop up called hide subscriber count. However, you will most likely not see this YouTube subscriber hiding count option anymore, and that is because of one really good reason. And that is that YouTube will no longer allow users to hide their subscriber account starting July 29, 2022. This means that this feature is basically rolling out to everyone over on this planet. I've heard that a few countries still make you allow to hide your subscriber account, but like almost all countries, YouTube is different in every single country, but almost every single country will not allow you to hide your subscriber count anymore because of new YouTube updates and new YouTube rules. So unfortunately, there's just no way to do this. And that is basically the entire tutorial of today, guys. There's just no way you can do this, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how you will have been able to do it, but there's just no way anymore for 99% watching right now, and I just wanted to make this video in order to help you. In order to you don't have to search anymore. There's just no actual way in order to do this anymore, and this has actually been stated by YouTube as well, as you guys can see in this picture. So yeah, if you've still found this tutorial useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.